That's what I'll study.
What?
Master.
Oh, you're going to Google that shit? Chat GPT that motherfucker?
I haven't had time, so I mean, this is better. Hands-on training.
Anyway, that like that checklist says, it says look around, walk around it, look for fucking hydraulic leaks.
Hydraulic leaks.
Yeah. This motherfucker's supposed to have a diaper.
What's a diaper?
Diapers that under wrap. That one needs one too. The under wrap.
Huh?
Goddamn, that one needs one too. That keeps the hydraulic fluid from leaking onto the floor.
Gotcha.
So if you hop up in there. That's your kill switch.
Kill switch.
Pull that up and you're on. And then some of them have a button that you got to press in order to make it work, and some of them don't. I can't tell if this one does or not. But then this is your turtle, so that puts you in rabbit. That goes fast. This goes slow. This is in drive. This is in lift. And then there's your activator switch on the other side.
The trigger?
Uh-huh. So see what it'll do. See if you can go up. Boom goes dynamite.
Damn.
Go ahead, take it all the way up, chicken pants. Now when you're going up, you're looking around. Make sure your rails aren't hitting nothing.
No pipes
You're
above
making
you?
sure your head's not going to hit nothing. Just always aware of your surroundings.
Okay. Same thing down? I was taught on when you have your harness on to tie off to something that's not on this shit, so in case it ever blew over, like, you know.
Well, no. Man, and you know, that's debatable.
That's what they taught us in class, though.
They tell you to tie off to the structure?
Yeah, to tie off to a structure in case this thing goes, so you don't go with it, you know.
Again, that's debatable. So some of these lifts will have tie-off points on them. This one does not. So you would have to tie off to the structure. And on some jobs, this lift wouldn't even be allowed.
To tie off to a structure?
No, this lift, you have, it doesn't have tie-offs.
Oh, okay.
So on some jobs, they wouldn't even let you have it. Anyway, see if you can go back and forth a couple times. Don't wreck into the wall. You gotta put it into drive.
With the
Now you can drive.
okay.
Press that trigger. Should be able to go back and forth.
Oh, okay. So that's how you go up and down and drive.
Yes.
Right there. Down. Okay. And then the one on top, left to right.
That's your steering. Press it. You gotta be in drive. Are you in drive?
Yes. Oh, okay.
Now are you in rabbit or are you in slow?
I'm in slow. I have it
That's
down.
what you want to be in.
Yeah, I don't.
But he's filling these up now. If you see any drips or anything, hop on this motherfucker. Or if I see him, you can't see him from there. I'm gonna holler at you to come fix